let go of a friend because she thought cheating on her boyfriend was funny. So me, 19M, was friends with a 19F, let's call her Aliana, and 21F, who we can call Ava. We all go to the same college, so that's how we met, and we were pretty good friends. Actually, it was fun. Few days ago, we all went into Boston to eat together cause we were all bored, and funny enough, we all kind of lived close to each other, so it wasn't a problem. So we were just eating, and it was normal until 21F. Ava, friend, said that her and her BF broke up. Obviously, we started asking what happened, and she said that she cheated on him. She then explained how he was controlling or whatever, but I did not fuck with it. I met the BF too, and he was chill, but that doesn't matter. You shouldn't cheat no matter what, just leave. And the 19F, Aliana, just starting laughing, and they seemed like they did not care. I pretended to not care, but when I got home, I just blocked them. That shit is disgusting, dude. Maturity issues were showing so bad. So, did I do the right thing?